What's up guys, it's Jiggy Tech back at you live with another video, and today I'm going to show y'all how to make a thumbnail for your YouTube videos because YouTube sucks at choosing one, and I know there's a lot of new YouTubers out there just like me. So first thing you're going to do is go in the App Store, type in Thumbnail Maker. You're going to need this quick app right here. It's the one with the gears on the picture. So we're gonna download that. 4.5 stars, rated pretty good by its users. So once you have that app, you want to open it up and then don't allow notifications. Click either your camera or your camera roll to choose your initial background for your thumbnail. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Choose my logo, set that. Oof, that's already a sexy thumbnail right there. I don't need to really do anything much more to that, but if you click the add picture on the right, you can add on more pictures to your thumbnail. Here I got a picture of Rocky biting me, my dog, that little rascal. You can change the size by pulling and dragging on the arrows on the right corner of everything. So this goes for text fields, text boxes, all that. You can add text fields and put a title or any text on your thumbnail that you like. Change its font. Chunk 5 looks pretty cool. Its shadows. Change its color. There's all kinds of stuff you could do on this app. Also, you could move it around. Once again, change the size. Place it where you want to put it. And there's these text box things that I don't think anyone uses. They look really weird, but you have those if you want to add one of those. I don't even know what those do. And lastly, you can add a filter, make your thumbnail look cool, grayscale, bright, however you want it. Then once you're finished, just click share at the top right, allow your photos to be accessed, and it saves it to your library. So if you found this video helpful, if you liked it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. There'll be more content coming soon.
Did you think it was